In this video, I want to show you how to download latest earthquake data as KML and view it in Google Earth Pro. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for USGS Real-Time Earthquake KML and press enter. When it opens, this is the link to download the data. Click on it to open the page, and you can see the page for earthquake hazard program. And here on this page we have about two major options: automatic feed and static feed. The difference between automatic feed and static feed is that automatic feed you get up-to-date data, whereas static feed is not up to date. Similarly, we have another options whether you want to download for the past 7 days, or you can download for the past 30 days earthquake data. Then you can download by colored by age, color by depth, color by age animated, color by depth animated. So whichever one you want to download depending on your needs. For instance, let's say I want to download color by depth. So I'll click on color by depth to start the download. Yes, you can see the download is done. The download is done, and I can open the location of the download. Here is it. Then I can just double click to launch it or open it in Google Earth Pro. So if I double click it, it will automatically launch Google Earth Pro and take me to the locations of those earthquake incidents. I can close these tips. Yes, you can see the earthquake. If I zoom in a bit, you can see the location of the earthquake and the informations here. This represents the depth in kilometer of the earthquake, while these circles represent magnitude of the earthquake. So I can pan it and move along to see the earthquake. Similarly, I can choose to add the tectonic plates. Just check the tectonic plates, and the tectonic plates will be added to the view. You can see it showing you the divergent plates, convergent plates, and transform plates. You can see it here. So you can choose to move along and see the earthquakes, and you use the legends to see the one that the depth or the magnitude. So you can move along or pan it around to see them. Moving along the convergent plates, you can see earthquake here, and remember that this color represents the depth. So you can pan the map around and view them. So this is how to download earthquake data and view it in Google Earth Pro. Thank you for watching.